Okay guys, we're out here on Yucaipa Boulevard and near 4th Street. We've got 3-car accident. Get back here and look at these the damage to these vehicles. You'll see on here, run across so this guy can pull in. But it's out here on the boulevard and 4th Street. And yeah, this one here has damage to the passenger side. And of course 14 Paul 1 is out here. I don't see any damage to the other ones, although there's 2 other cars out here. One of them has to have front end damage, so as you see, this one has rear end damage right here. So that's and she's gonna give her information to them, probably share her information for the accident. But again, we're out here on Yucaipa Boulevard and 4th Street. I'm trying not to make contact with anyone. So I don't know if we have, this was Citibank here. They closed it and they haven't rented it out yet. I'm thinking it was Citibank though, but I'm thinking with the COVID-19 pandemic right now, they're probably not going to rent it out to anybody anytime soon. Like I said, we do have 3 vehicles. I don't know which ones were involved, if it was 2 vehicles or all 3. But Yucaipa PD right now is running their the information, or maybe he's just doing a traffic report so he can give them a report number. But, I was thinking maybe I should go around and see if there's any front end damage to any of the other vehicles, but won't do that at the moment. Now, of course, my wife keeps telling me that Governor Newsom said there's still a requirement to wear a mask. There's still a mask requirement, but I know that the San Bernardino County Sheriff, or the health officer, put out a letter saying that it was recommended but no longer a requirement, meaning the police aren't going to give you a citation for it or anything. So she must be telling him what happened. So, oh, she's getting out of the car now. Oh, I think he said you're free to go. Watch your back into this guy's truck. Get out of his way so he can see. Oh, she's gonna back. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that poor old lady's hitting everybody today. She just backed into him. I was trying to put my hand up to tell her to stop, but that poor old lady, she's just hitting everybody today, man. So, I got to put business cards in my pocket for Community Leo Watch. I do have the thing on my microphone, but I don't have any business cards in my pocket, so I don't know if they're discussing me now or what, but he's laughing a little. So, but Again, we're here at the Boulevard and near 4th Street. Somebody was mentioning Little Rosie's, best Mexican food in town. I know everybody loves their burritos. I think it's their burritos, right? That everybody loves. So, but there he goes. So we'll wait to him to drive off. And yeah, poor old lady, man. She's just backing into everybody. I don't know if she got rear-ended or she backed into somebody, but yeah, he went way down there to pull back out. But it's in the Big Lots parking lot, Big Lots and AutoZone. So he went that way. He is no way does he want to be on camera any longer than he has to be. Thanks guys for watching Community Leo Watch, watching Leos. That's law enforcement officers from coast to coast, especially here in the city of Yucaipa.